Hi everybody, it's Shuey with Aerons, and I'm here to demonstrate our new wave pedal. So your eyes don't deceive you. Right here, the new brake pedal has been installed. It's not the original, but it does quite look like a matching brother. So first I'm just going to take it off to show that it's just snapping it off. It's got a lip around it. Okay. So here's our pedal. You'll notice that it's got the matte finish, much like its brother footrest and brother accelerator pedal. So these have printed, it's like leather in the sense that it has imperfections that you will notice. It's just kind of part of the charm. But as you can see, it looks like a matching set. Our old one, so just kind of like a visual, it fits and it works. It's fantastic. But if you were looking for, slightly different, the matching guy we were finally able to come up with, that would be this one right here. So without further ado, I'm going to install this. I'm going to use my little friend here. So here we go. What I'm going to do is take the screwdriver. I'm going to have it kind of flush with the edge. The little part right here is just going to be flush with the edge. And then you'll see that there's a lip here. And I'm just going to flip it over, if that makes sense. So like this, and then pull it and flip it over. You'll see. So I'm going to put the little lip here on this corner. And then flip. There we go. Okay. And flip. Takes a little bit of pressure. to feel the way around that it is completely installed. I feel like I'm not. So it's not the loosest fitting item, but you don't want to be stepping on a brake pedal cover that's loose and slipping around, you know. So of course it will take a little bit of elbow grease, but not that much, right? If I can do it, I'm sure you can too. Perfect. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed my installation of our new Aeron's wave brake pedal, the matching brother to his beautiful siblings here. And have a fantastic day. Take care and drive safely.